NASA launched a spacecraft early Wednesday to test technologies for modifying the path of an asteroid by crashing into it in the world's first comprehensive operation of its kind to best equip Earth for protecting it from hazardous asteroids and comets. The Double Asteroid Redirection Test spacecraft is on a one-way mission to the Didymos asteroid system with the goal of colliding with the moonlet Dimorphos, which has a diameter of around 160 meters between September the 26th and October the 1st next year. The spacecraft, which is about the size of a vending machine and was created and maintained by Johns Hopkins University, was launched on a Falcon 9 rocket from the Vandenberg Space Force Base in California on Tuesday night local time. SpaceX stands for Space Exploration Technologies Corp. A NASA spacecraft is now on a mission to test technologies that might one day be used to defend the planet. The spaceship will purposefully collide with an asteroid to determine whether it can alter its course. So, for today's video, prepare yourself and fasten your seatbelt, and let's discover why NASA launches a new mission to defend Earth. But before we get into it, do me a favor and smash the like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notifications whenever a new video is published. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. NASA announces the DART asteroid mission. The SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket returned to Earth about 9 minutes after liftoff, resting straight on the company's floating platform, Of Course I Still Love You, which was positioned in the Pacific Ocean. The touchdown at sea was SpaceX's 95th time recovering an orbital-class rocket booster. DART is now en route to undertake a planetary defense exercise. To change an asteroid's orbit, the expedition will utilize a kinetic impact method. To put it another way, the spaceship will collide with a space rock to modify its course. The DART will collide with Dimorphos, a moonlet that revolves around the much bigger asteroid Didymos, and the mission team hopes to reduce Dimorphos' orbit by many minutes. At a press conference on Monday, Thomas Zurbuchen, NASA's Associate Administrator for the Scientific Mission Directorate, said, "It's a purposeful crash of a spacecraft onto a rock. What we're attempting to learn is how to deflect a threat," specialists told Space.com. Even if the test doesn't go exactly as planned, neither the asteroid nor its moonlet represent any threat to Earth. According to astronomer Amy Mainzer, who is the lead detective of NASA's Near-Earth Object Wide Field Infrared Survey Explorer (NEOWISE) expedition, who specializes in studying groups of asteroids and comets, this asteroid system has no probability of harming the Earth whatsoever. This research, on the other hand, will demonstrate to NASA how a dynamic collision approach may work against a real-life asteroid. If a large asteroid that posed a threat to Earth were discovered in the future, NASA could theoretically send out a spaceship like DART to smash into it and shift it in a new path. At this time, no such dangerous asteroid has been discovered. Nevertheless, as both Zurbuchen and Mainzer pointed out, only around 40% of all near-Earth objects have been catalogued. According to Christina Thomas, a DART Observations Working Group lead, scientists have catalogued nearly 90% of all near-Earth asteroids that are as huge as the space rock that killed off Earth's giant dinosaurs millions of years ago. Many smaller space rocks, on the other hand, have yet to be discovered. Time is crucial in the fight against renegade space objects on Earth. According to NASA, DART is a minimal spacecraft weighing roughly 610 kilograms at launch and 550 kilograms after impact. The primary construction is a box with dimensions of 1.2, 1.3 and 1.3 meters. The spacecraft has 2 solar panels and is propelled by hydrazine propulsion. It also contains roughly 10 kilograms of xenon, which will be used to test the NASA Evolutionary Xenon Thruster Commercial NEXT-C thrusters in orbit. NASA stated last year in a statement that NEXT's great fuel economy and flexible operations make it suited for many types of scientific missions. Which asteroid will be deflected? The spacecraft is aiming towards Dimorphos, a tiny moonlet. It has a diameter of around 160 meters, and it is predicted to crash into Earth when it is 11 million kilometers away. Dimorphos is orbited by Didymos, which is Greek for twin, a bigger asteroid with a diameter of 780 meters. The asteroids and moonlets cause no harm to Earth, and the mission's goal is to test new technologies in case an asteroid approaches the planet in the future. The spacecraft will cruise to the moonlet and crash into it at a speed of around 6.6 kilometers per second or 24,000 kilometers per hour. Around September the 26th and October the 1st, 2022, the collision is likely to occur. The mission is a dangerous one, and the ship will be destroyed altogether. Various telescopes will monitor the occurrence and investigate the impacts of DART alterations in the moonlet's orbit from all around the world. According to Nancy Chabot, DART mission coordination lead and planetary scientist for the Johns Hopkins Applied Physics Lab, Didymos is a perfect process for the test mission because it's an overshadowing binary, which means it has a moonlet that orbits the asteroid frequently and can be seen when it travels in front of the main asteroid. Earth-based telescopes can investigate this brightness change to figure out how long Dimorphos takes to orbit Didymos. DART's companion, LICIACube and HERA mission. As per NASA, the DART spacecraft will be accompanied by LICIACube, which stands for Light Italian CubeSat for imaging asteroids on its trip to the near-Earth asteroid pair. LICIACube is an Italian space agency-contributed CubeSat developed by Argotec, an Italian aerospace engineering firm. According to NASA, the LICIACube weighs just 31 pounds, or 14 kilograms, and is about the size of an adult's hand and forearm, according to NASA. DART will launch the small CubeSat roughly 10 days before the spacecraft collides with Dimorphos, and it will perform a critical function. LICIACube will then stand back and observe the impact, recording photographs of the collision to assist validate the impact's effectiveness as per Argotec. According to JHU-APL, the ESA's HERA mission will undertake post-impact analysis of DART's collision with Dimorphos. The spacecraft is scheduled to launch in 2024 and arrive at Didymos in 2026. 2 CubeSats will accompany the ESA's HERA mission. They'll conduct surveys of both Didymos and Dimorphos together, with a focus on the crater created by DART's impact on Dimorphos. According to JHU-APL, the HERA mission also intends to ascertain the exact mass of Dimorphos. Despite the fact that DART and HERA were created and managed separately, their combined efforts will increase our knowledge of planetary defense technology. ADA, or Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment, is an international effort that includes personnel from both operations. ADA is a huge multinational partnership between ESA, the German Aerospace Center, DLR, the Observatoire de la Côte d'Azur, OCA, NASA, and the Johns Hopkins University Applied Physics Laboratory, according to the European Space Agency, JHU-APL. That concludes our video. So, what do you think about the latest initiative by NASA? Do you think it'll help protect and preserve our planet against asteroids? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Before leaving, don't forget to like, subscribe, and bell for notifications of our future content. With that being said, I'll see you in the next one.